Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple and easy process of how to send pictures on Character AI. After watching this small video, you will be able to easily send pictures on Character AI. First of all, open up the Character application on your phone. Now, from the wide list of characters, select any character that you want to send pictures to. Once you have selected the character, you will see a plus icon at the bottom of your screen. But if you don't see a plus icon to send pictures to your character, then what you need to do is go to your browser. Now to the URL box here, type www.characterai. Now you need to wait for the website to load, and after that, you will be on the official website for Character AI. Once here, you need to select any character that you want to send pictures to. And once you have selected the character, you can see I have a plus icon on the bottom of the page. Now, as you can see, I can send pictures to my character. It is that easy. So that was it. That was how you can send pictures on Character AI. If you found this video informative, then hit the thumbs up and subscribe for future videos.